What's up guys, thanks for tuning into the channel, and today is part 3 of the garage makeover, and it is the fun day. We are ready to go ahead with painting and get this garage looking way different than it looked before. Not just the plain white that you see here. So we're gonna go with some strong color that's gonna really have some contrast, especially with the lighting, that's gonna make the cars in here pop out really well. So we're gonna have the people from Drywall Services come in. They did such a good job with all the drywall in this whole entire garage. It looks so much better than it did before. They're gonna come in and they're actually gonna do the painting for the garage, because I'm still kind of recovering and stuff like that, so I can't really do it myself. But painting is something that they can do, and they did such a good job, I just had to call them back kind of deal. So they're gonna go ahead and paint the ceilings. They're gonna be a darker color, more like a darker gray, near black, and then we're gonna go with gray along the walls. And that's going to add some serious good contrast between the new lighting that I'm gonna be putting in, the HEX lighting that I'm gonna put in, and then having the beautiful cars in here, and then doing that special floor, which I've been kind of leaning back and forth about the floor, whether I'm gonna do whether I'm gonna do an epoxy floor or do like those special tile floors from like Swiss Tracks or whatnot, or Race Deck, I think is the other big one out there. So actually, what do you guys think honestly about the floor? Should I go with like an epoxy floor or go with the tile floors? So I'll have a sample of the tile floors coming in, probably, and I'll show it to you guys in a later video. But yeah, I keep going back and forth honestly on that. So, and then with that being said, the guys from Drywall Services should be getting here soon for painting, and so we'll show you what it looks like. So alrighty guys, so the garage painting has been finished and it looks freaking amazing. I absolutely love it. Check this out. I mean, all of this right here with the gray walls and then the little bit darker gray ceiling, it all looks great. It looks brand new. I am just so happy with it. Armando and his team from Drywall Services, they did a fantastic job. All the attention to detail. It looks so nice. And this is all without any kind of really good lighting, which is the next step on this. And I am so excited about it. That's like my favorite part of this whole entire garage makeover, is putting the really sexy HEX lights up there. It's gonna look so good. I'm just so flabbergasted, like already just the transformation from when we first started this garage makeover, just a little bit of repair and then just some good painting. I mean, it makes the whole entire area look just so good. So if you need any kind of drywall services or painting services, call Armando and his team from Drywall Services. I'll have all the information in the description so you can check them out if you live in the DFW area. He does fantastic work with his team, all for a really good price. And yeah, they basically make sure to pay attention to the details. Every single aspect of this whole entire garage looks great. I mean, even this little shelf thing here that I had before, I don't know if you guys had noticed it before, but it had these wooden connectors up here that were like just basically wood. They didn't have, like, they weren't painted or anything. And they actually took the extra step of actually painting all of those wood structural pieces so you don't even see them. So it looks like it just attaches like right to the ceiling. And it just looks so clean and professional. I'm just so happy with it all. This is just great. So in any case, like I said, the next video for the garage makeover is gonna be putting all the professional lighting. I'm really excited about it. There's gonna be some extra little bits of lighting also that I haven't really mentioned as well, that are just gonna kind of help make everything kind of pop in this area. So, and then after that, we're gonna do the garage floor again and then do all the details afterwards. But yeah, anyways, the next video is gonna be all the lighting. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm looking forward to sharing the next video with you guys. If you liked any of my videos, please check them out, and we'll see you next time. Take care, guys.